Hello and welcome to Simple Meals with Chef Bonnie. Today I want to teach you how to make delicious noodles at home. You don't need to boil them as if you are boiling githeri. You don't need to boil them as if you are boiling water for bath. So you need your 2 packs of indomie, you need your carrot, you need an onion, you need a tomato, you need green pepper, you need a garlic, and of course a knife, grater, spatula. You need your Parmesan. If you have your Parmesan cheese, you're good to go. And of course, a pan. So let's go. So these are the equipment that you need in this kitchen. So you get your bowl, empty your noodles in the bowl. There are always seasonings in every pack if you are in Kenya. So take the seasonings and put them aside. We'll use them later. It's normally salt and some chili spice. So this is how it looks from the back. So now you would get your hot water. I always have my hot water in my flask for easier cookings. You don't need to keep on struggling in the kitchen. So just pour on your hot water. Make sure it's very, very hot. Then set it aside. You don't need to boil your indomies. You don't need to boil your noodles. You don't need to boil your spaghetti. So this procedure, this recipe applies to all that I've mentioned. Just make sure they are well immersed in water. Then you can set it aside. Cover it. So let's begin with our onion. Let's chop our onion into julienne sizes. Then we are going to chop our green pepper also into julienne sizes. Right. So first we're going to use these ingredients, just the two. I'm not going to use a tomato in this case, but I'm going to use my authentic combo sauce. Remember in my previous video, I made my authentic combo sauce and I said it's kitchen friendly. You can use it in every meal. So here we go. I want to show you how to use my authentic combo sauce. So get your pan, put it on your stove, then heat it. You can add your olive oil. You can use your preferred olive oil. You can use your preferred oil, but in this case, I'm using my favorite olive oil. So saute your onions until they are shallow fried, and then you can add in your sauce. You reduce your fire, then you can just simmer them slowly. Make sure they are all coated together. Then remember our noodles we kept in water. So it's time to put them on a strainer. So make sure you have something under. Then put a strainer, and then you can pour in your indomies, or your noodles or your spaghetti. Then make sure you strain, get rid of the water. You see, my indomie, it's already soft, it's already cooked. You don't need to boil them, just hot water. Just 2 minutes is enough. So now you're gonna add your indomies in this sauce. Then you have to keep on stir frying and making sure that it's coated all over. In this case, you're going to use your spatula. You can increase your fire a little bit. Just adjust your fire a bit. And you see, keep on stirring, making sure that everything is coated until we have that sauce color. Now I'm gonna add my green pepper. I had a piece of my red pepper, so I just mix them together. You can see now the meal is getting ready. Very appetizing, huh? Looks nice already. So you're gonna keep stirring, keep releasing them. Don't mash them because it's already soft in this case. That's why I keep warning you, don't need to cook your noodles or your indomies or your spaghetti. Just put in water. Now you can crush in your fresh garlic. It's a fresh garlic, you just have to crush it in here. I'm crushing my garlic here now because I want to retain the flavor. You can add your carrot, also you can grate in your carrot. This is going to help keep the flavors in your indomies. Kindly make sure you follow the procedure for a delicious noodles, spaghetti or indomies. So make sure you stir together, stir very well, gently, don't mash them, be gently. Make sure everything is in order, that it doesn't remain on one side. So make sure it's well coated. And release the one that is stacking. Remember, I'm using my fork spoon here and my spatula. Wow, it's almost done. Now I'll get my Parmesan cheese, then I'll sprinkle it. See, step by step, because I just want to retain. And in this case, make sure you have reduced your heat, because the indomies or the noodles, it's already cooked, so you don't need it to, just a little heat to make sure that it remains hot. Wow, so this is how you do it, and our meal is ready. Wow, looks yummy, looks delicious. Now the final touch, the seasonings. Remember the seasoning that was in the packs of the noodles? Now you can season. It's salt and some pepper, powder pepper actually. So make sure you coat everything together. Then our noodles are ready. So it's time to feast. Wow, look at it. Looks nice, huh? So go ahead and serve on your favorite plate. Look at it. Looks nice. And the flavor is amazing. The color amazing. The taste fantastic. Now this is it. It's done. It's time to feast. Time to say sorry for all the hassles in the kitchen. Get your fork. Get your knife. Just in case did not break enough. So let's go ahead and enjoy our noodles. Simple Meals with Chef Bonnie. Please subscribe, share, and like. Here we go. Just clearing my throat with hot water. And it's time to enjoy, time to feast. Wow, amazing. So amazing. So this is the best way you can make your indomies at home. It takes only 10 minutes if you prepare everything well. Thank you so much for following. I love you all. Bye-bye.